In the prosperous epoch of Powerful State, under the leadership of the esteemed President in the oil and gas industry, one of the key sectors of the national economy, great success has been achieved. Balkan Vilayet has enormous reserves of natural resources including black gold and blue fuel. Successfully carried out work on the export to foreign countries of products produced on the base of natural resources. In this direction, Turkmenistan cooperates with the foreign companies. Using the numerous privileges created, large investment companies achieve success in the development of oil fields in the Caspian Sea. For specialists of the company Petronas Çäresi Turkmenistan, located in the territory of Gayanlı Balkan Vilayet, all the necessary conditions for the extraction of oil have been created. In our country, a nationwide ýowar was launched, which gave a start to the work on the greening of the territories, guided by the personal example of the esteemed President, the management team, as well as employees of the branch of the Petronas company in the Balkan Vilayet took part in the planting of seedlings.
My name is Ruslan Abdul Ghani. I am the CEO of Petronas Çäresi Turkmenistan Cenderian Berhad. In conjunction with the holiday and in support of the esteemed President's effort in planting trees, we have with us today staff from Petronas Çäresi Turkmenistan Cenderian Berhad planting trees. This is to make this place more green and for us to plant more trees surrounding our plant in Turkmenbashi, and we hope that we will be able to continue this effort, and we hope to be able to plant more than 1,000 trees in the years to come. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Loli Chu. Very happy to share with everybody a happy holiday. In conjunction with this holiday, we're also having a tree planting day. Yeah, it's actually is a project motored by Petronas Çäresi management as a commitment to support the green environment. I think as we are working here in a very beautiful country like Turkmenistan, so in my background we have all the people, they all come down and plant the trees. So this is just the beginning of the projects for the company. So well, thank you very much for joining us. And of course, on behalf of the company and the colleagues here, we wish the people of Turkmenistan a good year ahead. And of course, may the blessing be continued. The best wishes to our esteemed President for his great leadership and wishing him good health and happiness.
My name is Kalana bin Suri. First of all, I think I would like to say Happy Bayram to everyone. And next is, of course, I would like to thank you, the Excellency, Mr. President, in giving us the opportunity to work here in Turkmenistan. And at the same time, hopefully we can also contribute to the not only economic but in the environment like this. Because the event is actually one of our humble contribution in supporting the national agenda of forestation, of which we would like to keep green. Thank you.